What's going on? Welcome on in. We are going to be talking about taking partial profits in MetaTrader 5. This is something that I have recently gotten into via a prop firm, testing them out and seeing how it all works. I have not had a ton of experience with MT5, but we are going to be using the mobile platform, in this case on my iPad. Works very similar on a phone, just because the iPad screen's bigger, so it'll fit the screen better and it'll look better. And you'll be able to see it a little bit easier. So inside of this is on a prop firm account. So if I go into the trade section, you can see I have some open positions. Currently at like almost $51,000 in the account. I had a starting balance of $50,000, but I'm in a trade. I'm on NVIDIA. Let's pop it up. And I want to take partial profits. So here is the chart. We can see that I have 35 shares left. I actually already took some partial profits, and I originally got in with more, and I have a stop loss set. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to first move my stop loss up towards that break even, modify that, done. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show you how to take partial profits. One of the biggest concerns that I had was the scaling out process. How do you scale out of positions in MetaTrader 5 if you are in a position? And in my case, I'm in a stock, CFD. In someone else's case, could be futures, could be this market, that market, doesn't matter what it is. Your problem is that they don't have these bracket orders and all this different stuff. You're going to be like, oh man, like it's kind of a pain. Where a more advanced broker these days in the US, for example, has a lot of different types of orders. One cancels the other, bracket this, bracket that. So you can kind of have, your fair share of ways to scale out of positions. But what I have found in MetaTrader 5 is it's quite simple, but there are some drawdowns. And so there's some things that would be nice to see improvements on, and we'll get into that. So right now I have this NVIDIA trade. Let's say that I want to sell some more, okay? I am going to now see where I have NVIDIA on the bottom where it says trade, okay? I am going to try to get out of this position with partial profits. So click on that, hold it down where it says close position, modify, chart, or bulk operations. I am going to go to where it says close position. It's not going to close me out just yet. Modify won't get you there. If I go to modify, you'll see this. I have a stop loss set. I could set a take profit if I wanted to. Let's go ahead and do that really quick. I'm going to go push this all the way up here and just modify that. Boom. Now, the stop loss and take profit in this case are for my entire position that is currently open, okay? If I wanted to take partial profits, you would think, is that going to mess up the take profit and stop? Do I have to cancel those, then enter a new order? No, you don't. Go back to that NVIDIA trade, hold it down on my trade section of the trade panel, whatever you want to call it. Go to where it says close position. Now a new button pops up. See where it says close by 35 market with a profit of $7. If I change the sizing here, so I'm going to adjust the size to let's go with 5 shares. See, now it says it's going to close 5 shares that I bought with the market order at a $10.30 profit. Now it's $10.05. It's moving. I click on that 5 right now. Market sold 5 shares of NVIDIA. Now look at my position. See where it says buy 30 on the left-hand side? That take profit and stop loss are still tied to my entire NVIDIA position of 30 shares now, not 35, because I market sold some. So what I have found to be the best way to do this, and this may change, there could be updates. Again, this could be this video. As of right now, what I have found is you can set your stops, set your take profits, maybe at like your ultimate target. But if you want to scale out along the way, what I have found is you go in to where it says close position, and then you adjust the size of the order to whatever amount that you want to scale out, and then you slowly scale out that way, okay? That is how I have done it. Now, there also is a secondary way to go about it, is you can open multiple positions. The problem for me is that the way that I track my trades with the trade journaling software that I use, which is TradeZella, and I'll link that down below this video as well. If you use something like TradeZella, and you have 6 trades because you wanted to, you want to scale out. I open up 6 buy orders or 6 sell orders, and I can have one of them I can set my stop losses to the same exact level, and then I can take profits at different levels. You could do that, but that's going to then register as 6 trades, and it's going to throw off the risk reward calculations on all those trades. But if you do it this way, at least my tracking software will track it as a partial take profit, a scale out, if you will, and then at least it's tracked properly the way that I want it to be tracked. Would I like some better options when it comes to the orders you can use here on MetaTrader 5? Yeah. But at the end of the day, based off what they have in front of us, this is how you'd go about doing it. Again, go to the trade tab, select your position, hold down on that position, go to where it says close, and then you have the ability to change and scale out accordingly. Now, again, it's a market order, so it's not like I can change this or I can go ahead and do a sell limit, because when I click on sell limit, it goes away. So I can only scale out via market orders, which is also not ideal, but again, better than nothing and works for now. So there you guys have it. That is how you can take partial profits and scale out of positions in MetaTrader 5 as of right now, while still keeping a take profit and a stop loss on, so you don't have to always cancel, sell some, re-put the orders back in, cancel, sell some, replace the orders. No, you don't have to do that. It's not as complicated as it is. You do just kind of need to either set alerts on your brokerage platform and then come back to your phone or to your computer or to your iPad and then go manually sell or trim some off or buy some back, right? Scale out as you need to. I'll leave some links and resources down below. Thanks so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.